Hey y'all, welcome to the Taylor Boys Outdoors. I want to take just a minute and show you how I do a mite wash. There's still a line from Mike Berry. This is not a how-to, but this is how I do. And I've already went through the hive here, found a frame with brood on it, open larvae, and that's where you'll find a lot of your nurse bees, and that's where the mites will be. Looking to capitalize on the open cell right before it's capped to jump in, and they'll stay with the bee while they pupate. And so, long story short, that's what we've got. And I'm going to show you how I shake them in and get them. And my cup's over here. I don't like to put the cup on top because it's got soapy water in it. And that's how I'll use that to wash them off. And I did take the queen out just a minute ago, and I've got her out of the hive, and they're getting a little restless without her. So I've already pre-chosen this frame here, so I'll just take it up and give it a gentle shake. I'll go ahead and replace the frame and shake these bees down to the corner. Dump a half a cup straight into your solution. Oh, try not to lose them all like I'm about to. And to go ahead and euthanize them, I'll give them a shake, and the soapy water will go ahead and kill them. I try to do all this above the hive. That way it cuts down on confusion as far as bees being scattered everywhere. I'll put the hive back together if I can quickly. These girls are really laying down the propolis, and they've got everything glued tight. So I'll get everything back in order. And I've lost my my hive tool, but I'm gonna get the queen back in there. She's dry, so I'm gonna. There she goes. And give this a minute of shake. And how I make my solution is about 1 teaspoon of Ultra Dawn, and I stole that from Randy Oliver off of the Scientific Beekeeper, and I may have put in too much. I already see 5 or 6 in here. All right, I'm gonna pull you over in the shade, see if that helps at all or makes it worse. Put it back out in the sun. Sorry about the camera work. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at least, which isn't bad. Normally what I do is I won't treat it all until I get to the 3% threshold. And when I get to 3%, that'll be over 9 and 300 bees, then I'll treat. This time of the year, you got to be careful with the apiguard. Not the apiguard, the apiguard. If I treat with it, I'll use a half a dose, and come back in 2 weeks and give another half a dose. And it's very temperature sensitive, but at any rate, that's how I do it. And I'm not saying that's right or wrong, but that'll give you a good estimate on your mites, and it'll help you keep them in check. And they will explode if you're not very careful. They got a term that's called mite bombs, and it's very true, because mites will explode this time of year. They'll double in number roughly in a month and a half time before winter, and so you got to be very careful. But that's how I do, guys.